Welcome to EDC Ideas. It was always a dream to build up an everyday carry toolkit based on a leather organizer. This is my first attempt. One of the typical problems with leather organizers are the very tight compartments to store different tools. And it was important for me to reach the different tools from the outside. I found this organizer in one of my organizer organizing boxes, and I think it's a version from 2 Bears. But let's go through the different tools. We start with one of the best multi-tools ever, the VICTORINOX Swiss Tool Spirit. I can attach the VICTORINOX Swiss Tool Spirit to the organizer with the pocket clip and the slot for a flashlight or a pen. The VICTORINOX Swiss Tool Spirit gives me a basic tool set, durable, very functional, excellent for EDC. You find different versions of the VICTORINOX Swiss Tool Spirit. This one is the version with the one-hand opening blade and the scissors. Also very useful for an everyday carry tool set, the file, the saw, the awl, and a set of screwdrivers with a prying option. The next item in this little toolkit organizer is the new FENIX PD26R in the ACE version. I was in love with the PD25R and I'm really impressed when it comes to the output and the functionality of this version here. You find a tail switch, a side switch and a two-way pocket clip. It's rechargeable via USB-C and you can set 3 different modes. The reach of more than 350 meters is outstanding. I like to carry a small permanent marker with me to write some notes down. This one is a mini version from Stanley. I think you find this permanent marker with different tips. This one is a version with a fine tip. The next item from the outside is the VICTORINOX Swiss card. And when I carry the VICTORINOX Swiss card this way, I can reach the tools on this side. And when I carry the VICTORINOX Swiss card this way, I can reach the scissors and the knife. Let's go through the different tools. We have the knife, the scissors, and on this side there is a nail file, the toothpick, the pen, and the tweezers. And it's hard to see on camera, but you also have a ruler function. And I know I have, for example, scissors and a better knife on the VICTORINOX Swiss Tool Spirit, but I really like the pen, the tweezers, the toothpick and the nail file. Let's take a look inside. Inside I carry the Cobra in the XS version. The quality is outstanding and it's a hard-used tool. I love the combination with the VICTORINOX Swiss Tool Spirit. Always stay sharp, and that's the reason why I carry this item. It's a diamond sharpening card from DMT, and you see it here. It's the extra fine version. This little sharpening card is very thin and durable at the same time. The quality from DMT is always great. Let's talk about the organizer itself. You have a compartment here and 2 slots. You can also carry, for example, a larger pen or a flashlight. And inside you find 2 more compartments. The quality of the organizer is great. I would call it heavy-duty leather. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts when it comes to my first attempt to a leather organizer based EDC toolkit.